Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your PIN in Windows 10. So for doing this you just need to go to Start menu and just find your settings. So just tap on the settings, and in the settings you need to find your accounts. So just open your accounts, and here you need to find sign in options, and here you will find PIN. So just tap on change, or you can tap on remove. So if you want to change it, just tap on change. So now you just need to write your current PIN. Here you need to write your new PIN and just again confirm your new PIN you enter here. So after you do it, just tap on OK and it will automatically change your PIN. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.